Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Tamara. So I've been here at my mom's for the past, 3 days, and your girl have been adulting like hardcore. So I was able to go ahead and get registered for the VA hospital here. So I got assigned a provider and also scheduled for a intake appointment next month, so that's good. I also, if you don't know, I'm a 100% disabled Air Force veteran. So I was able to get my disabled vet license plates for both sisters. So I finally got that taken care of, which is good. And also, most importantly, I was able to actually have my first therapy session, and that went really well. So I'm super excited to start that whole journey with therapy. But while I'm here in Jacksonville, Jada baby and we're going to get some things taken care of, like the solar project and everything. But as a treat to myself, we are about to make our way like a few hours to Central Florida because Jada, I would say Jada more than me, she was given this exclusive opportunity from our partners at PetSmart, but more specifically the PetsHotel at PetSmart. And did y'all know PetSmart has PetsHotels? And they do. So this is super neat. Jada baby gonna drop her off this evening, and she's gonna stay the night there and also get that much needed haircut because she has been looking a little she's right here, literally just put the ball to play with me. So yeah, Jada baby, she's also going to get her hair cut. It's starting to heat up inside of this space. Y'all, I have not been ready for this Florida heat, but I had to turn the AC off in order to talk to y'all. So let's go ahead and get on the road. I've already hitched up both sister. So literally we can just get in the car and go because I'm starting to sweat. So I'll tell you guys all about what she's about to get at PetSmart's PetsHotel once we get in the car and get on the road. So let's get to it, y'all. For the first 30 minutes of the drive, it was pretty much raining on and off, and I hate driving in the rain, but I am on a mission. So, as Jada and I get closer and closer to getting back on the road full time and making our way out west away from my family, being able to use PetSmart PetsHotel as overnight boarding for Jada is going to make life less stressful for me as I start catching these flights. And soon you will see me traveling more via plane, and these PetsHotels are going to make life just a little bit easier for me. Now, scheduling is a breeze. Once on the website, you'll select the PetsHotel and enter in your city or zip code and select your PetSmart location. Select what date you'd like to check in and out and how many fur babies will be staying the night. You will see a list of sleeping arrangements, different packages to include things like one-on-one playtime, bedtime bliss where your pet gets a bedtime story, and lastly, you'll see add-ons like doggy ice cream sundaes to make their stay even sweeter. Jada baby, you ready? Okay, let's go. Not only can I tailor my stay to Jada's liking, but each overnight stay includes things like a hotel host on site 24/7, convenient drop-off times, personalized play and relief walks, and calming pheromones in their room. Jada will basically be on vacation while I'm on vacation, and that makes me happy. Check-in was a breeze, but low-key embarrassing thanks to Jada. At check-in, I confirmed Jada's pickup time and we went over the different services she would receive during her stay. For the PetsHotel stay, she would have a private suite to include the bedtime bliss package, which comes with story time and a photo, and I requested an early morning pickup. I filled out her hotel intake form and they verified she was up to date on her vaccines and proceeded to do the first hands-on pet assessment on Jada. Jada was a bit shy at check-in, but the PetsHotel hosts were so sweet and gentle with her, and she warmed right up to them. And here's the pet stylist performing another hands-on pet assessment to confirm Jada's grooming needs. Because along with Jada's stay, she was getting a cute little summer makeover, a nice low cut, along with the current summer special, which includes a bandana, pink bows, and pina colada spritz. She is gonna be so cute. And one of the great things about Jada staying at the hotel is that the hotel coordinates the grooming with the grooming salon. They do the handoff. So it's one less thing I have to worry about. A nice one-stop shop. And now it's time for Jada baby to go and mingle with her new friends. So we actually have to make a stop before we make our way to the campground. When I went to get Jada baby's dog food inside, the fridge isn't working. So sometime within this 2.5 hour drive, I ran out of propane. So that's not good. I have not opened the fridge or the freezer because I do not want to let any of the cold air out, and I just hope, you know, nothing's really bad, went bad in there. I called, we're about to go to like a propane refill station. Luckily is one en route to the campground. So let's go ahead and make our way there because we're on a time crunch and I don't want my food melting. You know what I'm saying? So this is a first. Luckily someone is here to help. The top comes off, there's pieces that I have to take off, and in the future I'll be able to just like take the propane canister and you know, go to a location versus having the whole shebang with me. But because I was en route, it was just easier to do this. But now I know for the future how to take it off and everything. And now that I'm going to be traveling more and not actually being hooked up to, you know, electrical sites, I'm going to start monitoring my propane usage a lot more. Because yeah, I've had the same propane, 20-gallon propane canister since November last year. So this is my first time getting it refilled. So I think for the most part, that's really good. I just hope I didn't ruin any of my food in the fridge freezer situation. So yeah. Okie dokie, it was $20 and I just turned the fridge on. So she said I'll have to probably, you know, shut it on, shut it back off, shut it on, shut it back off before it picks up again. So I'm gonna wait for it to do that. Then we're gonna get back on the road. We have like a 10-15 minute drive to the campground, so that's good. But yeah, I'll catch y'all at the campground. I did it. We in there, y'all. I only had to like adjust maybe I think 2 or 3 times. It was a slow back end, which I'm okay with that. And a lady, you know, she was like giving me props, like, you did so good, and I'm like, thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unhitch and everything, get everything completely set up, because, you know, I'm shaded in too, so that's like really good. But yeah, let me go ahead and get all of that done. After getting set up, I was hot and hungry. This Florida heat is no joke, so from here on out, you'll probably see me at official campgrounds where I can have my AC going as needed. So I started off eating half a cantaloupe, and then my stomach decided that was just an appetizer. So I pulled out this lovely assortment of soul food my mama gave me before I left her house: oxtails, peas and rice, 2 types of beans, greens, yams, cornbread, and a slice of cake. And of course, sleep followed soon after. Good morning, my friends. It's about to be 7 o'clock and I have to go to pick up Jada baby at 8 o'clock. And I have like a 30-minute drive, so I'm just gonna drink a little bit more of my coffee, then go ahead and get dressed and make my way to Jada. Last night was nice. I didn't film much because it was just so hot that I had to have the AC going, and the AC is still on, but it's like a break in between the AC, so I'm filming. Yeah, it was nice having my entire bed to myself, because Jada, she really does take up a lot of space when she sleeps, because she moves so much at night. She sleeps diagonal, she sleeps horizontal, vertical, like that girl is always moving. in her sleep, and I always have to adjust her because she's either pushing me all the way to the back of the bed excuse me, all the way to the back of the bed or all the way to the front of the bed. So like, yeah, it was nice, you know, having my bed to myself last night, but also I was thinking about Jada baby, and I know, you know, she's perfectly fine, but yeah, we're gonna go pick her up, and she got her hair cut, so I'm super excited to see what my little cotton ball looks like. Well, she won't be a little cotton ball anymore, but yeah, I'm excited to see what she looks like. So I'll catch you guys in the car after I get dressed and stuff. Okie dokie, we are making our way back to PetSmart, and this entire week that I'm here, the sun is literally right in my face, jeez. This entire week while Jada baby and I are like out, it's supposed to rain this whole week. So it's supposed to start raining around, I think 3 or 4 o'clock today. So that'll give us enough time, me and Jada, enough time to come out and play fetch a bit, because it is quite a bit of open lots around here. That'll be good for us to play fetch. But yeah, it's gonna be sucky weather this entire time, so I'm kind of sad about that, but it is what it is. So let's get there. Alright, my beautiful friends, we have arrived, so let's go pick up Jada baby. I'm so excited. I love when she gets, you know, her fresh cuts and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go get the girl. After reuniting with Jada baby, I asked the hotel host, if you noticed one of your customers are nervous or anxious about leaving their fur baby with you, what is something you tell them to help ease their mind? And this is what they had to say.
Yeah, we baby them. Yeah, like, there's no, like, I think I baby talk the dogs more than I baby talk my kids.
Yeah.
It's a way to get them to do literally everything, like to eat, to go potty. Like we'll have a whole party back here. If somebody goes potty, we're like, oh my goodness, yay!
So a lot of celebrations.
Lots of celebrations.
Yeah.
We do treats too, as long as they don't have any allergies. Like I walked a dog outside this morning that was giving her issues last night.
Yeah.
And I just had like treats in my pocket, and I'm like, okay, buddy, let's go. We need a couple feet. Here you go.
Jada baby. Girl.
She's like, but I love mine.
Right, I know. I'm gonna get you in a second. I'm gonna pick you up.
Go. Nice girl. Nice girl. It's so nice to meet you. Huh? You gonna go have fun?
Thank
There
you
you go.
so much.
Absolutely.
I appreciate you all so much.
Absolutely. Feel free to bring her again. She's gonna pick out her own toy.
I think there it is. Peanut butter and jelly. All right, Jada baby, you can get it. Is this what you want? Good girl. Let's go. Grab it. You want to get your toy? You can get it. You want it? Get it. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, let's go. You got it. That was quick shopping. Get your toy. Get your toy. Good girl. Thank you. You too. That was so fast, Jada. You went shopping so fast. Jada baby. Jada. Jada, wait, girl. Yeah. Are we able to check out, or is it too early? There you go, Jada baby.
I think it's a winner.
Yeah. Sweet, thank you.
You enjoying that?
Oh, see, now y'all gonna be besties. Oh, good girl. Jada baby, do you need to go potty? You need to go potty? Oh my goodness, that girl is a mess. That was like the fastest shopping ever. So that's the toy she picked, and we literally have like 8 or 9 balls, so she didn't need any more of those. So I'm kind of happy she didn't pick one of those, and she just literally picked this peanut butter and jelly situation. But look at her. You like your new peanut butter and jelly? Oh, you look so pretty, girl. So we have a new campground, and there's a nice open field. We can go play fetch until it starts raining. So let's go ahead and get on the road. So here's Jada's report card from her time while she was there, and it says Jada had such a fun sleepover with us last night. She got to meet and play with new friends. She got pampered in the salon and had snuggle time with the team during bedtime bliss. Thank you for allowing us to care for your fur baby. And then it shows all the little things over here to the side. So cute, so cute. And during Jada's stay, she got 2 pictures taken, and here's a funny before and after. Jada baby slept the whole 30-minute ride back to the campground, and it is supposed to rain basically the rest of the day starting at like 3 o'clock or something. So we're gonna use as much as this time with the sun. I'm gonna tire her out because we're gonna be trapped inside for the rest of the day. So it's time to play fetch. Now that I think about it, if it does rain all day, I might take Jada to PetSmart's doggy day camp so she can get exercise and socialize with other pups in a dry playroom. I bet she'd like that. Alrighty, my friends, this is where I'm gonna let you all go. Thank you all so much for tuning in to find out where is Brittany, and a special thank you to PetSmart PetsHotel for sponsoring today's video. I'd also like to note that I've been added to the PetSmart affiliate program, so if you're an online shopper, I've included my affiliate link to the video description below. And for full transparency, when you shop with this link, I will receive 2% of your purchase costs, and boom, you're helping me stay on the road longer and share my adventures with you all. So thank you in advance. Love you. See you soon. Bye.